The Camden Society's Riverside Activity Centre is an invaluable resource for people with a learning disability.
Look at that, what do you think?
Here, people can make friends, plan their own day, and join in anything from painting to horse riding. We need your support to transform our car park into an amazing garden with raised beds, borders, and an art studio. The people we support, along with the local community, can enjoy gardening, food growing, healthy eating, and art. Your pledge will improve the lives of people with a learning disability.
Wow, hey, look at this. Hey, look at that.
Create an inclusive community and give nature a helping hand too.
Terry put them in and now put them out. We grew this, isn't that amazing?
Yeah.